Good evening to all. Hope my voice is audible and I shared the screen. Please confirm the voice is clearly audible and the screen is visible. Anyone please confirm? Then I will start the session. Yes. Okay, audible. Fine. Second. It is open. Okay. Okay. Good evening to all. I will start the session. Okay. In the last session, we discussed some commands. What we discussed in the last session, we discussed create. How to create a database. After that, how do we use the database? Yes. Now, within the database, I am creating one table, the basic step. If you want to do any operation, the basic step is creation of a table. So table is created successfully. Now once the table is created, next we are inserting values into the table. Yes or no? Without values we are not doing any operation. We are inserting value into the table. First we done these two. After that, what we are doing? Select. So which is used to select your required information from the table. Okay, so whatever the columns, I need only one column, I need all the columns, whatever the columns you want, you are retrieving the columns from the table. Okay, after that, for this select, I applied where condition. Where I applied command where means we are selecting only the records whose condition is satisfied. First, I am checking the condition. I am retrieving only the records where the condition is satisfied. So, these things. After that, we discussed one more thing, drop. Drop, that means to delete the entire table. Drop is used for deleting entire table. One more thing is discussed, delete. What happens with delete? With delete, we are deleting our required row. That is, we are deleting only the specified rows that satisfies the condition. Instead of deleting the entire table, we are deleting the rows that satisfies the condition. Okay, that we discussed in the last session. And at the last, we are using plus operation, that is plus 10, plus 20, etc. That is also used. Anyway, we will discuss one by one in detail. Clear? Think everyone is clear with this. Now, next, multiples are there. Multiple commands, group by, order by, having. Anyway, everyone, everything we will discuss before that. So, right now, one student asked, Sir, marks plus 10. For that, I will explain. As keyword is there. As is called Elias name. As is called Elias name. That means, for example, I am performing the operation marks plus 10. What is the output? The output is marks plus 10 only. Instead of that, I am given a new temporary name. I am given a new temporary name. Suppose like this, select one column, whatever the column you want, select that particular column as new name. You can give any new name. If you have multiple columns, so similarly, column 2 as new name. From the table name. From the table name. Now I think you got it. Anyway, go to MySQL again. Move practically. So show tables. See, it gives an error. Why? First, I opened MySQL. Your aim is you need to select the database. Use college. Now, show tables. Under the college, student table is available. Select star from students. Now only one row is available. With one row, we are not doing any operation. Now what I am doing, inside name Ravi, comma, branch CSE, comma, marks some 78.9. Okay, first row, comma, insert second row. I already explained the syntax. Suppose roll number 2, name Naga, and branch, suppose assume the branch is ECE, marks 88.9. Second row is completed. I will create about 3 to 4 rows just to perform the operation. Now roll number 3, name, same name I given, same name, suppose same branch, and I change the marks. Table college student does not exist. Yes, my table name is students. Okay, fine. Three rows are affected. Select star from student. So total I have 4 rows. Total I have 4 rows. Now, how as is applied? Select. In the last class we discussed, suppose marks plus 10. Right now one student asked this question. See, select marks plus 10 from students. Now observe the output. Output, the column name is marks plus 10. Okay, instead of writing that one, select marks. For the column marks, I am adding 10, and that is converted into, suppose my marks name is new mark. Think you got it? Got it? So as is used as alias name. Whenever we required, we are given the additional name. When while doing the operation, some names are easy to remember. In that situation, we are using that alias name. Okay, fine. I think everyone is clear. Everyone is clear with the alias. Now move to next one. Move to next one. So the main important creative to select to Veru completed. Immediately the most important thing is update. Update is there, alter is there. Now is our aim. First to update, followed by alter. Update. The name specifies we are updating the table. We are updating the data present in the table. So remember the syntax, update. Where we are updating, suppose student table. So update followed by name of the table. Here what I said, update the values. That means we are setting the values. So update under this table set. Remember the word set. Column 1 is equal to some value 1. Column 1 is equal to some value 1. If you want to update multiple, separate with the comma. Column 2 is equal to value 2. Now, if you want to apply some condition, yes, the records who satisfies the condition, then only the values are updated. Now I will explain with one example. See carefully. Update, update table name. In which table you are updating? Update under the student set. What you want to set? Which column? Suppose you are changing branch. Set branch is equal to, I want to change branch to mechanical. Which one? That is the question. Branch is equal to mechanical. Okay, here four students are there. For which student you are changing the marks? That is, you need to apply the condition branch is equal to make, where roll number is equal to sum 2. Is 2 is available? Yes, roll number is equal to sum 2. Now read and understand the question. First, I already said where condition is applied. That is the first thing. In the entire table, what is the first step? Entire table where condition is applied first. Okay. By applying the where condition, we are retrieving only the records that satisfies the condition. According to the question, only one record satisfies the condition. Get that record. Within that record, we are setting branch is equal to mechanical. Yes, by branch spelling is wrong. Think you remember, this is the spelling I given. Now one row affected. See, rows match is updated or not. Now I will show you. Branch is equal to make. Suppose where roll number is greater than or equal to 3. Number greater than or equal to 3. Press enter. Sorry, again same mistake. Okay. See, roll number greater than or equal to 3. 3 rows are there. Row 3, row 4, row 5. Record 3, record 4, record 5. Rows matched 3. Rows matched 3. Press enter. Observe all the 3 records. Already first one I changed. 3, 4, 5 are changed. Now everyone clear with update? I think everyone is clear with update. We are updating. Again, one more point. Not only one. Not only one. Suppose branch is equal to make, name is equal to, suppose Nagaraj, where roll number is equal to 2. Already make is updated. Suppose CSC. Now understand what I am doing. Where roll number is equal to 2, I am updating two columns. One is branch and another one is name. Press and one row is there, that row is updated. Now I think everyone is clear with update. Everyone clear with update. Doubts under update, please? Anyone under update? Yes, one student. Anyway, I will explain parallelly. Insert means we are inserting the information into the table. Update means after insertion, if you want to modify the data, sir, by mistake my age is 30. By mistake I entered my age is 60. So you are modify the data. Whatever the age you inserted, you can update. I think clear? Yes. Fine. Everyone is clear with update. Now, next one. I already said what is my next to command. Next one is alter. Alter. So this is also very important role. What is alter? Name specifies changing. Here changing the table, not the values inside the table. Remember, alter is used to change the table. Suppose, see, alter. Again, I am repeating. Non-case sensitive means uppercase and lower case you are using anything. For some situation you used uppers, or some situation you are using lower, don't worry, everything is same. Alter table, we are changing which table? Table name. Remember, alter table, table name. What you are altering? What you are altering? A table is created. For that table, we can add a column. We can add a new column to the table. We can delete a column from the table. We can modify the data type of the table. Got it? Everyone. First, alter table, table name, add means we are adding a column. Simply column name followed by the data type of the column. If you want to add multiple, simply column names data type, comma, column name data type, column name data type. You can add anything if you want anything. Instead of one more syntax is also there. I will explain. First execute this one. Alter table, table name. Everyone clear? Alter table, table name. I am adding. Which one want to add? Roll number is there, name is there, branch marks age. Add age int. See, query is okay. Zero rows affected. That means you are adding a single column. You are adding a single column. Zero rows is affected. Now select star from student. Observe one more column age is there, which does not consist of any value. It does not consist of any value. Sir, how to give the value? For example, general assumption. Sir, by using insert statement, insert into students of age. Insert into students of, I think you remember or not? Anyone? How to insert the data? I explained two ways. I explained two ways. One is column 1, column 2, followed by values. Value 1, comma, value 2. Like this. You remember? So if you want to fill all the column names, this call 1, call 2 is not at all required. Sir, I am not interested to fill all the values. I want to fill only roll number, name, branch. Select only that columns. In the similar fashion, sir, right now I am filling only age. This is your assumption. Now, suppose age 30, comma 40, comma 50, comma 60. I think you understand my point. So, if you given the name of the column, you are filling only that values. Multiple rows. For each, 4 rows are there, 4 values. Your assumption is for row to 30. So, this one 40, this one 50, this one 60. That is my assumption, but not true. Remember, we are inserting in such fashion. What happened? What happened? 4 more rows are created. Only age. Only age. Now, here column could not column count does not match value count at row 1. Column count does not match value count at row 1. You are not allowed to do this. How, sir, how to update? You already know. Update students. Students. Age is equal to 30, where roll number is equal to 2. Now I think you understand. After creating the column, How do we insert the value? By using update. That's the advantage of update. Anyway, I think everyone clear with update. Not only if initially value is null, by using update we are creating the new value. Now everyone is clear with adding a new column. After adding, by using update, I am fill the data. I am filling the data. Now if you want to add multiple, instead of add column name, you are writing like this: alter table, table name, add. So anything like insert, if you have multiple, write in parenthesis: column 1 data type 1, column 2 data type on. Simply if you are writing in parenthesis, multiple columns are created. Multiple columns are created. Everyone is clear with this one? Everyone is clear? Please ask me any doubts. Sir, use workbench. Yes, you can use workbench. Not a problem. I think everyone understand why I am, after adding a column, why I am not using insert, why you are using update. If you are using insert means it will create that many number of rows additionally. By using update only, you are modify the value. Okay. How to create a table and say, sorry, now. Okay, alter completed. Alter edition is completed. Now in this I will change something. Alter table, table name. Alter table name. Instead of adding a new column, I am modifying the existing column. Add. Here column is already existed. You want to modify? Yes, I am modifying. Space, column name, data type. Column name and data type. Now, sorry, not this one. Where is? Yes. Alter table, table name, modify. Alter table name, modify age, float. One second. Yes. Query is okay. 4 rows affected. Actually, in my table, I have 4 rows. So, select star from students. Sir, I am unable to understand. General doubts. Sir, here integer, here also integer are 4. How do you identify DESC? Think you remember? It represents the schema. It represents the schema. What is the data type of age? Float. Previously, I created where in this step, observe, I created age as an integer. Age as an integer. By mistake, I given age as integers, or originally age is a float. Yes, I realized and modified. Alter table, table name, modify. Which column you want to modify to which data type? So I want to modify age to float data type. Modify age to float data type. If you want to modify to varchar, in that situation you are using modify varchar string. Clear. And what is the next one? I think everyone, worst guess. What is the worst one? Drop. Removing. Alter table, table name. Alter table, table name. Drop column, column name. what we want to delete a column? Alter table, table name, drop. What is the column? Suppose I does not want H. Okay, I does not want H. Drop H. H. If you given this one, it gives an error. Anyway, I will show you the error also. Drop age. What is age? Age is a variable or age is a field, age is a data type. What is age? I don't know what is age. See, press enter, it gives an error. Record okay, not a problem. See, sir, there is no error. Age removed successfully. Now I will show you. Think clear? So you are specifying at the time of addition. At the time of addition, you need to mention the column name followed by data type. At the time of modification also column name and data type. But at the time of removal, column name is sufficient. I think everyone is clear. So like previous one, age integer, age float that is not required. Why? You are deleting the column. Whatever the data type is existed, not at all important. My data type is not at all important. Okay, and the last point under alter table, table name. So instead of adding, instead of modifying, instead of dropping, I am renaming. Sir, modify and rename both are same? No. Modify means, modify means we are changing the data type of the column. Rename means we are rename to rename the column name. Suppose rename old name to new name, old name to new name. Alter table, table name, rename, rename branch to given correct spelling. You have an error in check the manual. Okay, we will check one more time. Alter table, table name, rename. Yes, here we forgot. Rename column, rename column branch to branch. Column, I forgot to write column, branch to branch. Now select star from students. Observe from now onwards my variable, sorry, my column name is changed to branch. Previously I have double R, now I have single R. I think everyone is clear. Think everyone clear? Please. Now update is completed, alter is completed, update is completed, alter is completed. Okay, now next one student asked, sir, under drop this is also working. What is that one? Alter table, table name, drop. Actually we written age here. Before anything, if you written column name, not a problem, it is also executed successfully. Before variable age, if you remove write in column, that is also executed successfully. I think everyone is clear with main two important, as is basic, alter and update, alter and update. Now my next command is, can I move to the next command? Anyone, please? Can I move to the next one? What is the difference between Truncate and drop. Very good question. So I will explain. See this one. So truncate and drop. Everyone know drop. In the last session, I explained drop. Drop means deleting the entire table. Drop means deleting the entire table. The entire table is deleted. Entire table. Truncate also used to delete the entire table, but the structure is available. What is mean by structure? Truncate, only the values are removed. Only the values are removed. The basic structure is available. Roll number without any values, name without any value, branch any value, marks any value. The skeleton, the structure is available if you are using truncate. Suppose if you are using drop means not only structure, the entire table is removed. How you are writing drop? Drop table, table name. Similarly, you are writing truncate table, table name. I think you understand the difference. Drop means the complete is removed. Truncate means reducing. Only the values are removed. The structure is there. And by the end of the session, I will move this to truncate and drop. Why? If I do truncate right now, my table is created. I am not going to do any operation. Again, I need to insert the values. So by the end, I will delete. Okay. Next, what is the next one? Order by. Next, I am moving into order. The name specifies we are retrieving the values. Anyway, we are retrieving the values. In which order we are retrieving the value? Exactly. After retrieving, one second. Okay. Okay. Now coming to again, I'm repeating order. The name specify order. Actually, retrieving the values. Okay, the values are coming. Actually, in which order available in the table, the output is also displayed in the same order. Instead of that, in Excel sheet we have there. Instead of getting all the values in the same order, you are retrieving the values in ascending order. Sir, I want the values in descending order. Exactly by in which order you need to get the value. This also plays very important role. For example, 100 students are there. I want to retrieve all the 100 students according to ages or according to marks. So first mark student on the top, second mark, third mark, and so on. Clear? Now command is, sorry, query is select you what are the columns you want. You can select that many number of columns from table name. Everything is same. If you have any condition, you can apply the condition. Yet last order by column name. Order by column name. Now I will show you. Select star from students. First, without applying where condition, order by marks. Now you understand. Previously, the output is displayed 88, 79, 78, etc. Now observe what is the output: 78.3, 78.9, 79.8, 88.9. So the values, the records are displayed according to. Records are displayed according to marks. So first lowest mark, second next to lowest, third next to lowest. Very very simple one. Order by column name. Now here if you observe, by default what is the order they follow? Ascending order, ASC. So now what is the syntax? Select columns from table name where condition. This is optional. Order by column name followed by ascending order. Even though you are not writing, by default the values are displayed in ascending order, or DESC specifies. Think you understand? Descending order. Marks ASC. Observe in ascending order. Now DESC, descending order according to the marks. According to the marks, descending order. Clear? Order by. Now, sir, I want to apply a condition. Yes, you can apply the condition. See, select star. Not only star, you can give column names also. Only that many number of columns displayed. If you given star means all the columns are selected. Select star from students where my condition. What is the condition? You can apply any condition. Suppose roll number is greater than or equal to 3. Roll number is greater than or equal to 3. Order by marks. I think you understand. First, I already said, first where condition is applied. Once the where condition is applied, we are retrieving only the records whose roll number greater than or equal to 3. How many are there in my example? In my example, I have 3 records: 3 Naga, 5 Ravi, 4 ABC. Now, in these 3 records, they are ordered by marks. 3 records, they are ordered by marks. Clear? Clear? Now, one more. Insert into. So, to explain the example, students values of suppose 6, name, branch, now observe, two students have same marks. Think you got my point? Two students have same marks. Now select to star from students, order by marks. By default, ascending order. Press enter. Which one is selected? First 78.3 ABC, 78.3 Vikas. These two are selected. But I want first two Vikas followed by ABC. How? Right now, select order by student, sorry, order by marks, comma, comma. For example, branch. Now, Vikas is coming. I think first you understand carefully, then I will explain. Understand carefully what I did.